Hey, this is Ryan Raker with AccuTune Offroad, and we're in Moab, Utah today, and I'm going to show you our coilover kit for the Jeep JL. Out here in Utah is a great place to test our Wrangler because there's a variety of different terrain. We get a lot of people complaining about how the Jeeps ride over the rocky road to and from the hard rock crawling sections, and so we're out here just testing it and being able to show off how well our suspension works in that type of terrain. And then also getting them playing in the rocks and showing how much this kit just flexes and just gets you up and over the hardest obstacles. So the Jeep is currently set up with about 3 inches of lift in the front and then leveled out in the rear, which is a great height for this Jeep. Right now we're running 37s with a full fender. If you remove this part of the fender here and get the fender support brace, you can run a 40, no problem at this height. Our kit uses 2.0 remote reservoir shocks. It's available either Fox or King, and it's really optimized for this travel and this setup shock. Alright, so the benefits of our kit from AccuTune Offroad is, first off, that we're tuning all these shocks. We're taking every shock apart and we're tuning them for your vehicle, and we have several different options within that. So we've got tunes for the street, which is what we're showing off today. It's great for daily driving and also great for coming out and wheeling. We have a weekend warrior tune that's set up for a little bit more aggressive driving, and then we have a trail valving for the people that really want to get after it. Another benefit to our kit is that it has more up travel and more total travel at this ride height than any of the kits out there currently on the market, and that allows us to run those softer suspension tunes and really soak things up instead of bottoming out all the time. So the AccuTune Coilover Kit with 2.0s is extremely easy to install and works extremely well right out of the box, and all the shock valving is custom set up for your needs so you can go and enjoy your new Jeep.